Hello guys, you're welcome back to Nigerian news and entertainment. Viral video of a Nigerian man selling Hausa herbs by the roadside in Mercedes Benz C-Class. A video making rounds on social media shows a man from the northern part of Nigeria selling local herbs in the highly coveted luxury automobile brand Mercedes Benz. The local herb seller was onto his business when an awestruck passerby could not help but record a video of him in the machine most Nigerians can only wish to own. Nigerians reacted after popular Twitter microblog Post Subman shared the video. The vehicle used for such menial job that its yearly returns might not buy a new tire. Some presume that the car was most likely a gift from a rich friend or relative. What would a local herb seller do with Mercedes Benz C300? Your guess is as good as mine. He would use his to propagate his business. The car where you won't go take your life do ritual for. Na him another man they take sell agbojedi. Hustle and easy your mind, says the microblogger. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below.